Namaste, Sat Shri Akal. Welcome to our channel, The Indian Kitchen. So today's recipe is cheese corn sandwich. और इस sandwich के जो ingredients हैं वो हैं burger mayonnaise, mozzarella cheese, baby corns और थोड़ी सी vegetables, tomato, onion and capsicum. So इसको बनाने के लिए we'll take 4 bread slices and we'll start putting up the burger mayonnaise on the slice. Turn by turn we'll fix them all. Then इसके बाद we'll start putting the vegetables. You can start with any of the vegetables like tomato, capsicum and onion. Turn by turn you can just spread it all evenly on all the 4 slices. You can take your time as much as you want. Then after putting all these veggies, it will look like this. Now put some baby corns on the 4 slices. You can take the quantity as much as you want. If some people don't like it, they can also skip this step of putting the baby corns and others can enjoy. Now as you can see, this is the last slice we are putting the baby corns on. Now let's take some of the mozzarella cheese and spread evenly on the 4 slices. Mozzarella cheese, it can uplift your sandwich, it can give a cheesy burst to it and you will definitely love it. And it will also increase the taste of the sandwiches. So kindly spread it very evenly. Do not rush. Keep calm and just spread it. Now it will look like this. Now just take out the toaster. You can use any toaster. Some are manuals and some are the electrical ones. Put some oil in it. Then spread it evenly on the floors. You can even use a brush or most perfectly you can use hands as well. तो इसके बाद you can just put the bread slices on the toaster after spreading it off. Now just take it like I am taking it. Now put it here very carefully so that the ingredients do not fall off, because right now it's not cooked, it's raw right there. So again put some oil on the top of the bread slice, on both the bread slices, spread it evenly. And you can just see if it's evenly spread it. Then just close the lid of the electrical toaster. Now you can just on the switch. This light will appear if you have the same toaster as we have. Now the result is here in front of you. We will get a crisp sandwich with the pinch of mozzarella and the mayonnaise. Now you can also add the baby corns to give a sweet parish look to it. And then you can enjoy. I'm gonna show you like this. You can see it's having a cute cheese burst taste in it. So hope you enjoyed it and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like it.